Hey guys, you're watching Boondocking with Dennis. 6:52 p.m. and the sky's just lit up after a gray day. And I thought I'd make a little dash and get in the back of the truck while the getting was good, and I timed it right because it started raining as soon as I got in the back. Looks like a good night to play on YouTube. So I'm the blue dot, and those are the lightning strikes around me. So I am comfortable and dry. I'm just enjoying the light show. It's 7:28 p.m. I had to shut completely my right-hand side window because rain was coming in from the wind. And I'm able to keep my left-hand side one open about an inch. And I'm sure I'll get some rain in, but I always try to keep at least one window slightly cracked, preferably two, no matter what the temperature is. But I'm in shorts with a sheet over me. The temperature's dropping as this cold front moves in, but I'm comfortable. (9:28 p.m. and every time I doze off, a big boomer hits close and wakes me up. (10:41 p.m. and the lightning show is still going on. Very cool. Yeah. My buddy Ray dropped me off some Mexican food. I got a text from him, and yeah, I got food delivered to the Walmart parking lot. Thank you, Ray. After midnight, the wind and rain have increased. The lightning strikes have been steady. Every once in a while, there'll be a big boomer close by. The lightning may have actually slowed down a little. My food was delicious. Thanks again, Ray. I believe it was from Jalisco's here in Rockport. I guess this Mexican food will test my system to see if I'm truly feeling better. It's very relaxing. I got my widescreen TV here, the back windshield of the Leer cab, Walmart parking lot, Rockport, Texas. This is my favorite channel, the Lightning channel. This is the glamorous life of boondocking, guys. I'm glad I live in an area where it doesn't rain all that much. I'm going to go to sleep. I'll see you guys in the morning. The sun is out. The wind has died down a little bit. My fan has lasted me a very long time. I didn't have to change batteries. I got a candle lit. Got some Gatorade. Everything's dry inside here. And you can see the skies are clearing up. It's going to be a sunny day in a little bit. Got my oven on. Warming up a few things. Yeah, let's go. Adventure time. Just looking for a familiar face, but this is a royal tern, or as I like to call them, fancy seagull. This was a nice find, parked at Rockport Beach, Rockport, Texas. Volkswagen Westfalia camper. Westfalia. They were manufactured 1951 to 2003. Various different types of models, and I don't see the owners around right now. There's a lot of people on the beach, so it could be just about anyone. There's all the information I need is on the back of the seat, the front seat there. And they do have this really cool grill that swivels out, customized. Very cool. Nice little piece of history. I would say the plants, were they marigolds? And some Indian blankets. Got some really good water last night. Well, my new job's not working out too well. I got fired from the calendar factory. Yeah. All I did was take one day off. Yep. Dad joke. Comedy gold dad joke right there, guys. And when I pull up, I look to the left, nothing. And I look to the right. And there's Eugene waiting for me. So I guess I got to get the cast net out and feed this guy. Look at him just giving me the stink eye. Like, come on, fat man. You're late today. I got rained on. Someone better feed me. I'm on it, buddy. I'm on it. I have purchased a good-sized snack while I'm waiting for the sunset. Some red apples, green apples, cheddar cheese, and some grapes. And I like grapes, but not grape drink. I like to face this way at first so the sun's not shining in my eyes. But when I get that gold color, I know it's time for a sunset. 6:40 tonight, and we got one more night, and then we change the clocks. And we'll be doing this at 5:40 at night. It's about 64 degrees this evening. Pretty good breeze coming off the water. And I had a good day, and I hope you had a good day too. It was mostly work, but I do get to look out and see this kind of thing. Little beauty throughout the day. And it's not bad at all. It's a paycheck with a view. I hope you guys are all doing well. I noticed even apple prices have raised considerably over the last few months. I was just going to buy an apple, and then I looked at the price of that little snack thing. I'm like, I'm getting this snack thing. I like the variety of it too. Hope you guys got a chance to watch Friday Feast last night. We went to a new place with really pretty views. Got a beer and a burger. You can't go wrong. Thanks for hanging in there with me, guys. I'm going to just let you listen to the water. Thanks for watching.